Hi. Let's talk about managing weight with diabetes today. Losing just 5% of your body weight can reduce your need for medications, reduce the risk for heart disease, improve your blood sugar, cholesterol, and lower your blood pressure. Now, weight loss improves insulin sensitivity. Let's focus on reducing the visceral obesity along with increasing muscle mass, reduce waist circumference, and the waist hip ratio. Now, diabetics need to focus on a healthy diet which is rich in fiber, non-starchy vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Choose whole fruits rather than juice to have lots of fiber. Now, regular physical activity also helps a lot. So, you can incorporate aerobic activities like biking or cycling almost on a daily basis, as well as resistance training exercises like weight training almost 2 to 3 times a week, making a target of around 150 minutes per week activity. Now, this also helps in improving the basal metabolic rate and increases the insulin sensitivity. Now, GLP-1 receptor agonists are the new kids on the block. They can be used as an adjunct therapy to reduce blood sugar in type 2 diabetics. They also aid in weight loss for obese individuals. GLP-1 receptor agonist can reduce the risk of life-threatening events, including heart attacks, strokes in adults with established heart or triple vessel disease. They reduce appetite, they slow digestion, they increase the feeling of fullness, and they increase the insulin production whenever it is required. They reduce the gluconeogenesis, they improve obstructive sleep apnea, they help in managing an effective fasting glucose level, they reduce HbA1c and HbA1c as well as improvement in the long-term glycemic control. GLP-1 receptor agonist can be used to stem the twindemic of diabesity. Consult your doctor for personalized treatment and long-term adherence with minimal disruption to your daily routines. Thank you.